Everybody, it's Amy from Bargain Beauty, and I am at Dollar Tree, as you guys can see. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. We're going to go in here and see if we can find any new items today. So guys, they have the new fall dishware out. Very pretty. They also have the pot holders and the oven mitts that go with it. Here are the mugs. And we've got the smaller plates and the larger plates. And then they also have this really pretty like pumpkin spice color. I really, really love it. It's not that bright orange. It is definitely more like a brownish orange. They also have a few new of those. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, I really like that color. That's a new color for Dollar Tree for sure. Circle placemats. Oh, and here's the bowls. Has your store got these yet? They have put out some of the Christmas picks. These are really cute with the apples. Very cute. They also have some in gold. Oops. This one's really pretty too. So pretty. Added the poinsettias as well. As you can see, these are different. They have like a little bit of mesh material. These ones have pine cones in them, or like little sprigs. The berries, and they also have these as well. Hopefully you guys can see. I think you can on camera. They're very pretty, very glittery. A little bit of Christmas creeping out. Let's go down and see if there's any new items over here. If you guys cannot hear me very well, I am shopping while there are people in the store, obviously, so you might want to turn your volume up a little bit. I try not to talk super loud when there's people shopping so that I don't disturb them. We have seen all of this so far in previous videos. These items as well. So let's go take a peek and see if there's any new candles. We have some new candles, which is awesome. We have maple pumpkin cream. We have sweet harvest fig. We have bourbon maple. Cinnamon spiced. We also have mulberry and fig delights and crackling fire. Look at how cute these are, guys. I wasn't like super excited when I first walked in, but like I'm excited. There's some cool new stuff I'm about to show you. So they have these little X's and O's, love, and they have them in silver and gold, and they have them in this really pretty purple color as well. Show you guys. Aren't those so super cute? And then they have these candles right here. Leaves, crisp, flannel, friends, bountiful blessing, thanks. Show you guys. The rose collection. We always love the packaging on the rose collection. Look at how pretty. And then we also have these trays. The little like rose gold hearts. They're actually not little. They're pretty good size. And then the pineapples. These are cute decorative trays. Yes, I'm loving. They also have these, and they are new. They have little like, I don't know if you guys can see. It's like wire. That's pretty neat. Something different for DT. Those would be great for Halloween. But you could actually use those all year for sure. Cool. They have unicorn horn talking pens, guys. No kidding. I'm not playing. Can you see it? I don't know if they work or don't. Guys, I love these so much. Blah, blah, blah. Just saying, plan of attack. I love these notebooks. They're awesome. They're literally making me crack up. And then they have these cute little change purses. Oh my God, they are absolutely adorable. I can't. It's so cute. Also new for my store. And then let's take a peek at the other side. Jumbo stickers from Main Street Wall Creations. Bet you guys could do some really cool stuff with those. And then Chocolate doesn't ask silly questions. Chocolate understands. That's cute. Super cute. Oh, somebody put these over here. Is this new? Oh, this one is new. Very colorful and fun. Look it. These are like perfect for a music teacher, or if your child just loves music or you love music. Decorating with these would be really cool. I think there's a couple in here that are new. Let's look at this one. I can't see through my phone, guys, sorry, but I'm sure you guys can read it from there. My phone gets in my way sometimes. Amazing Grace, that one's new. Those ones we've seen before. Alright, let me cut this camera off and put these back for them. So guys, I think this is a really good deal. I don't know if they work or not because I've never tried them. But there's 40 wipes, and I'm in the automotive section of my store. They have the glass wipes, 40 counts, good. They have the protectant wipes and the multi-purpose. So if you've ever used these, let us know. These are definitely new to my store. And if they work, that's a really good deal. They have new stickers, Jot brand. Yes, they do. They're really pretty. You get a 7 count. They also have these right here. Dreamcatchers. That's a 12 count. Let's see if they have any other ones. I didn't look past the first couple. They also have butterflies with like the corrugated background. You get 12 in this count. And they have hummingbirds. These are really pretty. These would be so much more expensive at any other store. That's, oh, I was like, that's probably it. Nope. Guys, I'm gonna have to put all these back, so you better appreciate me. These are so cute. Laugh, believe, dream, love, inspire, cherish, and hope. Oh my God, they keep going with new ones. Holy cow. And they have these cupcakes. And this is a 12 count as well. Let me see. Okay, that's all the styles for that one.
Hi. How are you? I just got a message over here. Here I am. I'm at the dollar store. I'm looking for
Okay, guys. There's a lot of stickers actually that are kind of new. We haven't seen stickers in a long time, and then all of a sudden a bunch of new ones popped up.
those lollipops you love. I was just thinking about you. Did you get your note from me today?
Very cool. Very cool.
Like,
They have even more stickers, guys. My first book of stickers around the world. This is pretty cool. And yes, we're on the maxi pads. That's how we roll on this channel. That's right. My picture dictionary. Rhymes and opposites. Sorry about the glare, guys. Lots of animals, big and small. They're pretty thin. They're not real thick, but they are really cool. Lots of little fun activities. Great for like traveling in the car or, you know, going out to a restaurant. These would be perfect because they're not super bulky, but they will keep the kiddos busy. So that's pretty cool. They have new flashlights. They're telescoping flashlights. They have them in orange, green, and purple. They also have like a string or a handle on them. This is pretty cool. LED light. It's pretty neat. Oh, hello, Girl Scout Thin Mints. I see you. I see you. Did these come out in the last batch? Because I didn't get them. Are we just seeing them out now? Because I've been moving and I haven't been watching any DT videos. I just really, truly, guys, have not had time. But yes, I'm going to grab a couple boxes of these for sure. 11 ounces. I want the real Thin Mints now. Birthday cake cookie crisp? Oh my gosh, it's like a little jackpot in here tonight. Hold on, guys. 11.25 ounces. Birthday cake birthday cake cookie crisp. And yes, I know it's bad for you. Thank you. I'm gonna get it anyway. Fun fact while we're here. Guys, I'm afraid to light my gas stove. I've been using the range, but I haven't used the oven. Because I'm a big wimp, and I don't know where to light it, and I'm a little nervous. So, these will probably be made, like never. No, just kidding. I have to... Guys, any tips, tricks, or hints about lighting a gas stove, let me know. I've had electric pretty much my whole life. Thanks. And they have new muffins. Blueberry, strawberry, Martha White. Just add milk. Marie Calendar. No. Yeah, that's Marie Calendar, isn't it? Yes. This one's Marie Calendar. This one's Martha White. Martha and Marie are having a little competition here at Dollar Tree. Let's sound off in the comments below which one you like better, and let's see who wins this. Are we going to pick Martha White? Or are we going to pick Marie Calendar? I'm probably saying it wrong. That's okay. Restaurant style. Guys, which one should I get? Uh-oh. I might have to get both. Just saying. So we've seen bath bombs at Dollar Tree before, and I always tell you that I think this is a really good gift item. Now they have Mermaid Tails. No joke, Mermaid Tails. They always have some variation of a unicorn, but some of these... Sorry, guys. Some of these Mermaid Tails are really cute. Wish you could see them better. The thing keeps turning on me, guys. Put these away for stocking stuffers. These are awesome party favors. Very cute. Alright guys, I think that's going to be it for me for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you thumbs up the video. You subscribe if you haven't already. They have a ton of stock. I got a little peeky deeky in the back. So I will be coming back this weekend. And stay tuned for another DT video very soon, guys. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.